Step-by-step calculations for this graph. If we let x equal -3, y is going to equal 2 times the absolute value of -3 plus 1. These absolute value bars are grouping symbols. I have to deal with the inside of them first. -3 plus 1 is -2. I then have to find the absolute value of -2, which is +2. That gets rid of the grouping symbol. And then, so that means y is going to equal whatever 2 times 2 is. That's going to be 4. Moving on, if x is -2, y is going to equal 2 times the absolute value of -2 plus 1. Take care of the grouping symbol first. So inside there, -2 plus 1 is -1. To get rid of that grouping symbol, we'll have to take that absolute value. The absolute value of -1 is +1, giving us 2 times 1. And if I take the order of operations from there, all that's left to do is do 2 times 1. So if x is -2, y is going to be +2. I'll just tell you mentally, if I plug in -1, I'm going to get 0. 2 times 0 is 0. That'll be 0. These should end up being the same. I will do the calculations on this one so you can see that. If x is 1, y is going to equal 2 times the absolute value of 1 plus 1. Look inside that grouping symbol first. 1 plus 1 makes 2. So we have 2 times the absolute value of 2. To get rid of the grouping symbol, take the absolute value. The absolute value of 2 is 2. So we have 2 times 2, which equals 4. So if x is 1, y is 4. And hopefully, with these explanations, if you didn't get 0, 2 for this point, and you think it through, you can figure out how that happens. Then when I go to actually plot these points, we have -3, 4 is going to be up here, where x is -3, y is 4. X is -2, y is going to be 2. -1, 0, 0, 2, and finally 1, 4. So if you take your time, and if you're patient with yourself and don't rush, and if you understand these patterns, any mistakes you make, you'll find, and you'll just get better and better at it. I know it's probably getting a little tedious, but it's good for your brain, so just keep that in mind. Good luck.